water shedding will be eased progressively as from the, should we be able to rectify the second Salsa pump, which we are hoping it should be done by the 23rd. So from 23 onwards, we think we'll be able to put into the system almost 90 megaliters of raw water through the Salsa pumps. And hopefully, from the 24th going forward, there will be review in terms of what is existing in our dams, obviously, assuming all things remain equal, that is, we don't have any interruption in pumping. Then the second question that I didn't get to.
How many technicals required to end the check? What is required to input to end?
Our non-restricted consumption is almost about 150 megaliters per day. Whereas I've indicated that we'll currently be able to put the system back currently with just 120 megaliters per day, which is why we will still remain shedding, because the consumption will still be higher than what will be feeding in the system. The flow safe pumps that we also put would deliver also an additional 90 megaliters per day, meaning between the Salsa and the flow safe, we should be able to get 180 megaliters per day into the treatment works, assuming there is enough raw water in the dams. Then the last question was on the replacement period of the valves. These were manufactured actually in France by a subcontractor to the main contractor that supplies the pumps. So discussions between the subcontractor and the main contractor, what is coming out to say, for them to manufacture new valves, it will take them almost between 4 to 6 months. That is inclusive, that's manufacturing, shipment, and obviously installation. But in the meantime, the consultants that are responsible for the project have given the contractor a deadline at least to come up with a temporal solution by the 15th of January.